Today in our Scotland food series, we are exploring three delicious dishes many travelers miss. So first, a comforting sweet potato and chili soup. Warm, creamy and perfect for Scotland's cool weather. Next is a beautifully cooked fish sliced with roasted potatoes and fresh green vegetables. Simple, fresh and full of flavors. And finally, one of Scotland's finest seafood experiences. Scottish salmon paired with sweet potatoes, rich, tender and incredibly satisfying. This Scottish cuisine is all about fresh ingredients, hearty flavors and dishes that feel like home. Follow Holiday Vacation Hub as we continue discovering Scotland's hidden food treasure. So see you in the next one.